Now, good day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel or to my video, as the case may be. Remember, this video is proudly sponsored by Mother Console. Now, while going through my comment section in the last video, someone dropped this question there and begged that I help solve these problems. Now, owing to this, I had to bring it live here so that I can do video on it, so that several, many of you can actually benefit from this question. Now, the first thing I want you to understand about this is the use of the command words. That's proof. When they ask you to prove, that means everything on the left hand side should be equal to that on the right hand side. That is what proof simply means. So we are asked to prove that 3 cos square x minus 1 plus 3 sine square x over 2 minus 2 sine square x equals to 1 over cos square x. Now, for further information on trigonometry, because this question is from trigonometry, you can watch our videos on our YouTube channel on trigonometry. So let's shoot now. Now, the first thing you need to do is bring all the trigonometric function to one side. And this is now going to give you 3 cos square x plus 3 sine square x minus 1 over, what is common here? 2 is common. Now, what will be left here? What do you multiply by 2 to give you 2? That is 1 minus this 2 is already out. So you have sine square x. I believe this is clear. Now, look at this. We can do the same thing for this. 3 is common. What is left here? Cos square x plus what is left here? Sine square x minus 1 over 2, 1 minus sine square x. Remember what we are trying to achieve, that the left hand side must be equal to the right hand side. But you have to recall from the elementary trigonometry that sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. If you need a proof, you can indicate in the comment section. Then I'll do the proof for you. And for that reason, if sine square x should cross to the other side, so we are left with cos square x will give you 1 minus sine square x. What it simply means is that whenever you see 1 minus sine square x, you replace it with what? Your cos square x. So let's shoot now. So this is now going to give you 3 cos square x plus sine square x has been demonstrated here to be 1. Then we have minus 1, this minus 1, over 2 multiplied by, what is 1 minus sine square x? Cos square x. And now 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1 over 2 cos square x. And what is 3 minus 1? That's 2 over 2 cos square x. So if 2 goes for 2, the answer will now give you 1 over what? Cos square x. So you can now say that we've been able to prove that the left hand side is equals to 1 over cos square. So you can see how easy some proofs in trigonometry are. Some of us, when you look at the question, we develop this panic attack. And from research, you realize that most students don't like this topic, trigonometry. But I must confess to you, this is one of the simplest topics in mathematics. So this is the solution to the proof. And I believe everyone understands the logic now. Thank you very much for your time. Till I come your way again in the next video. Do have a wonderful day and bye for now.